A trip to the beach. It was Sunday morning. The sky was blue, the sun was shining, and the air felt warm. Anna and her brother Mark woke up early. They were excited because their family had planned a trip to the beach. Anna, Mark, wake up. Today we are going to the beach. Mark, I'm awake. I can't wait to swim in the sea. They quickly got dressed in shorts and t-shirts. Their mother packed a big bag with towels, sunscreen, sandwiches, and bottles of water. Their father carried an umbrella and a cooler with drinks. Mother, do we have everything? Towels, food, sunscreen, hats. Father, yes, everything is ready. Let's go before it gets too hot. On the way. The family drove to the beach in their small car. The road was long but beautiful. They passed green fields, small villages, and finally saw the sparkling sea in the distance. Anna, look. I can see the water. Mark, wow, it looks so big. Father, yes, the sea is endless. We will be there in 10 minutes. When they arrived, the parking lot was already half full. Many families, children, and groups of friends were walking toward the beach with towels, balls, and bags. First impressions. When Anna stepped onto the sand, she felt it was warm under her feet. The beach stretched wide, with golden sand, blue waves, and colorful umbrellas everywhere. People were swimming, sunbathing, and playing volleyball. Anna, it's so beautiful here. Mark, let's go closer to the water. Mother, wait, first we need to find a good place to sit. They walked along the sand and finally found a spot near the water but not too close. Father put the umbrella into the sand, and everyone laid out their towels. Mother, okay, before anything else, sunscreen. Mark, do we have to? Mother, yes, of course. The sun is strong. We don't want to burn. They laughed while putting sunscreen on their faces and arms. Swimming in the sea. After they were ready, Mark and Anna ran to the water. The waves touched their feet. The water was cool but refreshing. Anna, oh, it's cold. Mark, don't be afraid. Let's go deeper. They slowly went further until the water reached their shoulders. They splashed each other and laughed. Their father soon joined them. Father, be careful, children. Stay close to me. Mark, okay, Dad. Look, I can float on my back. Anna, and I can swim under the water. They played in the water for a long time. Sometimes waves came and pushed them, and they laughed loudly. Playing on the sand. After swimming, they came back to their towels. Mother gave them some water and sandwiches. Mother, eat something. You need energy. Anna, the sandwich tastes so good after swimming. Mark, can we build a sandcastle now? Father, of course. Let's do it together. They collected wet sand and started building. First, they made a big round base, then small towers, and finally decorated the castle with seashells and stones. Anna, look at our castle. It's beautiful. Mark, yes, but we need a wall to protect it from the waves. Father, good idea. Let's make a strong wall. Other children came to watch. Some even helped bring more sand. Soon the castle looked like a small fortress. A walk along the shore. Later, Anna and Mother decided to take a walk. They walked slowly along the shore, letting the waves wash over their feet. Anna, Mom, I love the sound of the sea. It's so peaceful. Mother, yes, the sea makes people feel calm and happy. They collected seashells, small white and pink ones. Anna put them in her pocket as souvenirs. On their way back, they saw a man selling ice cream from a small cart. Anna, can we buy ice cream, Mom? Mother, of course. Which flavor do you want? Anna, strawberry, please. Mother, I will have chocolate. They carried the ice creams back to their spot, where Mark and Father were still playing in the sand. Mark, oh, you have ice cream. Can I have some too? Father, me too. Mother, laughing, yes, yes, we will buy more. Afternoon fun. In the afternoon, the beach became busier. People played music, some danced, and children flew kites. Mark joined a group of kids playing football. Boy, do you want to play with us? Mark, yes, of course. They played on the sand, running and laughing. Anna sat under the umbrella, reading her book and sometimes watching the waves. Later, she decided to join Mark in collecting shells and small stones. They competed to see who could find the most beautiful one. Anna, look, mine is shiny and pink. Mark, but mine looks like a star. Evening sunset. As the sun began to set, the beach became calmer. The sky turned orange, pink, and purple. The waves looked golden in the light. The family sat together, watching the sunset. Anna, it's so beautiful. I don't want this day to end. Mark, me neither. Can we come back next weekend? Father, maybe. It depends on the weather. Mother, but today was special. We had a perfect beach day. They packed their things, towels, shells, bags, and the umbrella. The sand was cooler now, and the air felt fresh. Reflection. On the way back home, Anna thought about the day. Today I swam in the sea, built a sandcastle, ate ice cream, and watched the sunset. It was a perfect trip to the beach. I learned new words in English too: sand, shells, waves, castle. I will always remember this day. She smiled, closed her eyes, and slowly fell asleep in the car.